In today's video we are going to unbox the new KuKirin G4 Master, push this absolute beast to the limits and see how powerful it can be. Just by looking at this scooter, you might be tempted to say that thing looks fast, but less you know, it's equipped with a crazy amount of explosive power, so grab your favorite snacks and enjoy this gorgeous experience. What the? Here we have the new KuKirin G4 Master.
Well, this is big. Oh, my legs. Smells like new car in here. Holy sh! What we've got here? You might be able to lock your tire with this. I think this one is working with that. This one is from the G3 Pro and this one is from the G4 Master. They changed the color of them. This is the charger. Well, this is new. It also comes with a 3-pin connector, different from the other ones, which have 2 pins. This is really nice to have, it comes in hand when we need it.
Looks like it has similar dimensions with the G3 Pro. That's a solid jack.
Man, this thing is beautiful. Whoa, no way. Dude, all the lining in here. Wow.
Not bad speed at all on half battery charge. The turn signals are some of the most visible ones I've ever seen. Here we have the charging port. One interesting thing that I noticed is that on the front wheel, brakes are on the right side, while the rear tire has the brakes on the left side. Let's charge this bad boy up because the next day it will need it a lot.
The next day,
Fully charged battery, let's take it out on the streets. Right out of the box, this scooter has so much power and acceleration is really brutal. The dual motors really stand out, and what they added to this model is adjustable electric braking. This means you only need to lightly touch the brakes for a nice smooth stop with minimal reliance on the actual brakes themselves. The suspension is quite stiff right out of the box, you will need a C-spanner kit to adjust it for your weight. But anyway, it can do some light off-road without the adjustments. As you can see, it climbs this road without any effort whatsoever. Let's see how fast it can go. That's a lot of speed, my friend. Trust me, you don't want to go any faster than that unless you have bigger wheels with street tires on. Sure, it gives you a lot of confidence in traffic, not many cars will overtake you. That means a much more comfortable ride and less situations where cars are driving close to you. Can you believe that I'm standing next to the second biggest building in the world? That's a huge castle over there. That was out of context, but anyway, that was it for this video. I hope that you've made a basic idea about this scooter in case you ever consider getting it. I hope you enjoyed watching this crazy journey, and remember, keep up the good vibes and stay tuned.
They say
Yeah, I'm on the